My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I live in a small town with colorful houses and noisy streets. I love books, music, and coffee. Every morning, I sit by my window. I read my favorite book. I listen to English songs. But I have a big fear. I am very afraid to speak English. Every day, I watch English movies. I hear words like hello, thank you, I love you. I understand them. I smile. But when I try to speak, my heart beats fast. My hands shake. My face is red. I think, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? What if I sound silly? I stop. I say nothing. One day, I walk to the market. I see a poster on a wall. It says, English Club, speak and learn. Every Saturday at the library, my eyes shine. I want to go. I want to speak English. I want to talk to people from other countries. I want to travel one day, but my fear is big. I think I can't do it. I'm not good enough. At home, my friend Maria calls me. She is happy. She says, Anna, I saw the poster too. Let's go to the English Club. You can do it. Her words are warm. They stay in my head. You can do it. You can do it. I feel a small hope in my heart. That night, I stand in front of my mirror. I look at my face. My eyes are nervous, but I try. I say, Anna, you are strong. You can learn English. You can speak English. You are not alone. My voice is quiet. My hands are cold. But I feel something new. A little courage grows inside me. Maybe, just maybe, I can try. Comment below, what is your biggest fear when speaking English? Share your story. It is Saturday morning. The sun is bright. Anna wakes up early. Her heart is happy, but also scared. Today is the day. The English Club is at the library. Anna wants to go. She remembers Maria's words, you can do it. She says to herself, I can try. I can try. Anna wears her favorite blue dress. She takes her small notebook. She writes one sentence. My name is Anna. I want to learn English. She reads it again and again. My name is Anna. I want to learn English. Her voice is soft, but she feels strong. The library is not far. Anna walks slowly. The streets are busy. People talk and laugh. Anna hears a man say, hello. To a friend. She smiles. She thinks, I want to say hello like that. I want to speak English at the library. Anna sees many people. Some are young, some are old. They sit in a circle. A woman with a big smile says, Welcome to the English Club. My name is Sarah. Let's talk in English. Anna's heart beats fast. She sits next to Maria. Maria whispers, You are here. I'm proud of you. Sarah says, Let's start. Say your name and one thing you like. Anna listens. A boy says, My name is Lucas. I like soccer. A girl says, My name is Sophia. I like music. Everyone claps. Anna's turn is coming. Her hands are cold. She thinks, I can't do it. I will make a mistake. It is Anna's turn. Everyone looks at her. She opens her mouth. No words come out. She looks at Maria. Maria nods and says, You can do it, Anna. Anna takes a deep breath. She says, My name is Anna. I like books. Her voice is small. Her face is red. But everyone claps. Sarah says, Great job, Anna. You were brave. Anna feels warm inside. She did it. She spoke English. She thinks, maybe I can speak more. Maybe I am not so afraid. Sarah says, Now, let's talk about dreams. What is your dream? Anna listens. Lucas says, I want to play soccer in England. Sophia says, I want to sing in English. Anna's heart beats fast again. She has a dream too. Anna raises her hand. She is nervous. She says, My dream is to travel. I want to speak English with people from other countries. Everyone smiles. Sarah says, That's a beautiful dream, Anna. Anna feels happy. She feels strong. She thinks, I spoke English twice today. I can do this. Comment below. What is your dream when you learn English? Tell us. Anna sits in the English Club. She is happy. She spoke English. Her heart is warm. Sarah, the leader, smiles and says, "Great job, everyone. Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. This is called shadowing. It helps you speak better." Sarah looks at the group. She says, "Listen and repeat. Say each sentence with me." Anna is ready. She wants to try. Her notebook is open. She holds her pen tightly. She listens carefully. Sarah says, "My name is Sarah." She pauses. Everyone repeats. "My name is Sarah." Anna says it too. Her voice is soft but clear. "My name is Sarah." She smiles. "It feels good." Sarah says, "I like books." She pauses again. The group repeats, "I like books." Anna remembers her own words. She says, "I like books." Her voice is louder now. She feels proud. Maria looks at Anna and claps quietly. Sarah continues, "You can do it." She says it slowly. The group repeats, "You can do it." Anna says it with energy. "You can do it." She thinks of Maria's words. She feels strong. Sarah says, "I want to learn English." She pauses. Everyone repeats, "I want to learn English." Anna says it twice. "I want to learn English. I want to learn English." Her face is bright. She is not afraid. Sarah says one more sentence. "My dream is to travel." She speaks clearly. The group repeats, "My dream is to travel." Anna says it with a big smile. "My dream is to travel." She imagines herself in a new country, speaking English. Sarah claps. "Amazing! You are all brave." Anna feels happy. She spoke 5 sentences. Her voice is stronger now. She thinks, "I am learning English. I am speaking English. I am brave." Comment below. Which sentence was your favorite to repeat? Try it again and tell us. Anna is still at the English club. She feels happy. She spoke English. She repeated sentences with Sarah. Now, Sarah claps her hands. She says, "Great job, everyone. Now, let's do a listening challenge. Listen to the story again. Answer simple questions. Let's have fun." Sarah starts. She says, "Listen carefully." She tells a short part of Anna's story again. Anna is 20 years old. She lives in a small town. She loves books. She is afraid to speak English. Sarah pauses. She asks, "Question 1. What does Anna love?" Anna listens. She thinks, "I know this." She whispers, "Books." Sarah says, "The answer is books." Anna smiles. She is right. Everyone claps. Anna feels proud. Sarah continues. She says, Anna sees a poster. It says, "English Club, speak and learn." Anna wants to go. Her friend Maria says, "You can do it." Sarah pauses. She asks, "Question 2. Who says you can do it?" Anna's heart is warm. She whispers, "Maria." Sarah says, "The answer is Maria." The group claps again. Anna's smile is big. She loves this game. Sarah tells more. Anna goes to the English club. She is nervous. She says, "My name is Anna. I like books." Everyone claps. Sarah pauses. She asks, "Question 3. What does Anna say at the English club?" Anna remembers. She says quietly, "My name is Anna. I like books." Sarah says, "The answer is, my name is Anna. I like books." Anna feels strong. She is learning English. Sarah says, one last part. Anna has a dream. She wants to travel. She wants to speak English with people from other countries. Sarah asks, question 4. What is Anna's dream? Anna says, "My dream is to travel." Sarah smiles and says, "Yes. Anna's dream is to travel." The group cheers. Anna feels like she can do anything. She thinks, "I am not afraid. I am learning. I am speaking English." Sarah says, "You are all amazing. Listening helps you learn English." Anna nods. She is happy. She wants to keep going. Comment below which question was easy for you. Try answering one in English. Anna leaves the English club. The sun is setting. The sky is orange and pink. The air is cool. Anna walks home slowly. Her heart is light. She feels different. She spoke English today. She said, "My name is Anna. I like books, she said. My dream is to travel. She answered questions. She repeated sentences with Sarah. She was brave. For the first time, Anna feels proud of herself. At home, Anna sits by her window. The stars shine in the dark sky. She opens her small notebook. She writes, I am learning English. I am not afraid. She reads it slowly. I am learning English. I am not afraid. Her voice is strong. She writes more. I spoke English today. I can do it again. She smiles. Her hands are warm now. Maria calls Anna. Her voice is happy. She says, Anna, you were amazing at the English club. You spoke English. I'm so proud of you. Anna laughs. Her laugh is big and free. She says, thank you, Maria. I was so scared, but I tried. I spoke English. Maria says, you are strong, Anna. Keep going. You can speak English anywhere. In a shop, in a school, in a new country. Anna looks at the stars again. She dreams big. She sees herself in a new city. She walks in a busy street. She says, hello, to a new friend. She says, I love books. To a teacher, she says, my dream is to travel. To a stranger, they smile. They understand her. Anna's heart is full. She thinks, I can speak English with no fear. I can talk to the world. Anna closes her notebook. She stands up. She looks out the window. She says to herself, every day I will try. Every day I will speak. Every day I will learn English. Her voice is loud now. She feels ready. Tomorrow she will go to the English club again. She will meet new people. She will say new words. She will dream bigger. Anna knows she is not afraid anymore. Comment below. What will you say in English tomorrow? Share your plan and inspire others.